1979 Kawasaki kv75 tire change. Focus, you son of... Back tires on, front tires off. I made the mistake of taking the front tire off before I took it for a test drive to see how the back is. And the front is right here. Here's the half that I could not get off to save my life, because as it turns out, not only was it stuck, but these rebar bands, whatever, belts, steel belts, I don't know if the metal contracted, but they were crazy tight. So I had to cut right through them with caveman tools. Finally got it. Finally came off. Once I cut the last one, it kind of popped. So let's have a look at it. It's rusty, but I can brush it off. Hello, Guinness. So the front hub assembly is just like the back one. The inside of the drum brake. Come over here. Drum shoes. There is a spacer here. Tiny little spacer here, and a longer spacer here. Here's the other half, also rusty. Instructions written on cardboard hastily so I don't lose track of progress. The new back tire. Whoops, shit, I got stuff on there. I've got the back strap down now to kick the front up in the air. It's lined up pretty well. I never noticed this slightly offset that way, and that's all I can think about now. But fuck it, who cares? I added in a washer on the inside to help kick it over that way, because the chain is that damn close to the tire. But that's fine. Clean the tire, or shit, clean the chain. It was dirty. It's still dirty, I just kind of cleaned it. El Cheapo air filter is better than the one that was on there, which was invisible. And pretty simple. If you got the dough, well, you probably buy a bike that is a lot newer than this one, but using these rims, it would have been so much easier just to throw them in the trash. But that's it. I'm gonna slap that back on there and take it for a test drive.